Good evening, Rashya.
Good evening, Miss.
Okay, Shya. Miss Suri wants you to write down the objects or the words relate to the beginning sound a, b, k. Okay, come on, write down here. Only 4. Yes, okay. What again? A, and. Apple, apple. First day. Erase e, erase e. Erase e. Hapus i nya deh. Hapus i. Oke. L first. Okay, then silent e. What happened? There's water inside, right? If there is water on the whiteboard, it cannot be written now. Erase first. Okay. Ini tulis. Okay. Apple. E. Silent e. Okay. Next. Apple. What again? Alligator. Okay, good job, good job. Alligator. What again? What is marah in English? Okay. Rashya, don't sit down. Angry. Angry. It is R, right? R. The sound is E, the letter is Y. Angry. The letter is Y. Yes, nice. Okay, now we go to B. Bear, good job. Next, please. Next, please. Book. Okay, next. One more. An animal that can fly. Bird. No, bird. Listen to me. Bird. The sound is The letter should be I-R. I and R. Bird. No. I in English deh. In bahasa I. In English I. Bird. Yes. Okay, I and R. Bird. Okay, bird. Okay, that is true. Yes. R. The ending sound is D. Bird. Yes, that's true. That is true. That's correct. No, erase. That is correct. And then the ending sound is D. Bird. And D. Got it. Good job. Now we go to K. What? Cat. Good. Cart. Good job. You want to make cookie? There is U, right? Cookie. K. Cookie. The sound is E. The letter is I. Cookie. Silent E. Silent E. Make it. It's okay. That's true. That's correct. And then plus silent E. Silent E. There is silent C. Silent E. E. E in bahasa A. In English, that is true dek. No need. It's okay that one. Adik, no. That is correct. Make it I. And then plus silent E. Silent E. Tambahkan silent E. E. E dek. E. Silent E dek. There is G, right? E. Write properly. Silent E. Okay, nice. Okay, next. Cat, cookie. When you want to drink the water, you pour the water into the cup. Follow me. Cup. Up. Okay, good job. Okay, read Rashya from there. You read louder please. Ant. Apple.
Alligator. Angry.
Got it.
Bear.
Bear.
Baby.
Good job.
Book.
Book.
Bird.
Okay, now
Cat. Cat. Cookie. Cup.
Okay, we go to the F. Get it? Okay, Rashya, we go to the sound the F. Okay, come on. Write down, please. What are the doll? Hello, Rashya, how to write doll?
Doll.
The O should be 2 L, double L. Okay, nice. D. Okay, good job. What again? The dog, doll, the desk. Good job. What again? The quack. The duck. Okay, duck. It means letter N K. Got it. Good job. Okay, now we go to elephant. Elephant. How to write elephant? Again, right? Yeah. It's okay. After E, elephant, P and H, P, PH, okay, H, ha, the letter, okay, good, PH, make it lowercase, huruf kecil, erase please, yes, okay, PH, okay, F ya, elephant, A, lowercase a. Elephant. Okay, a. Elephant. Nt. N. And t. Elephant. T. Okay. Try to erase first this one. Seems to me this one is sleep. Okay. Next, please. Elephant. What again? Okay, good. Siku in English. What is siku? Bow. Okay, good job. Now, telur in English. What is telur in English? Egg. Good job. Okay. When you go to the mall, you are lazy. Okay, you are lazy to walk on the stairs, and then you take the elevator, right? Okay. L is L. Is A. It's okay there. That is true. Is A. Elevator. Yes, got it. Good job. Make it good that one day. R-O-V that one. Erase please. Write properly. Elevator. One day. Elevator. It's okay there. O-R, right? What I want is you write properly the R. Okay, got it. Good job. Now we go to F. Okay. What's that? You want to make fish? Fish. E-S-H. S first. S-S-H. Now H-S. Erase please. Fish. It's like a hissing sound. When you want to make hissing sound, there is S-H. Fish. Got it? Good job. Okay, fish. Next, please. When you feel hot, you try to turn on the what? What is keep us in English? Yes, fan. Nice. Yes, good job. Fact. The number started from F. What number? Yes, nice, Rashya. Okay, try to read that. Started from the beginning sound. The. Come on, read. The. Good. Now we go to elephant. Okay. Elbow. Get closer with the whiteboard. Get closer with the whiteboard. Get closer. Closer with the whiteboard. Okay. Egg. Elevator.
Fish. Fan.
Okay. Excellent. Rashya, high five.